Yeah, hi, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Build Tech. So today we are going to learn how to check palindrome. Okay, so for that I have already created here class name which is palindrome, and I have taken the man method. Okay, so here we have to go and check. So for that we have to use one string, take the reference equal to any odd character I can take, like I am taking here madam. Okay, so for that we have to check whether it is palindrome or not. Okay, so here if we are going to check, so for that we have to check the conditions. Then I am going to check here, sorry, I am going to check if condition, if check palindrome. So guys, this is the inbuilt method. If check palindrome and I am taking number, and then s out is a palindrome, is a palindrome. Okay, else is not a palindrome. Okay, is not a palindrome. Okay guys, so this is the condition I have taken. After that I have to use the one static method. Okay, so what is the static method? That is public static boolean check palindrome method. So I am checking here public. Okay, so I have to close braces, then yeah, then public static boolean check palindrome, check palindrome, and this is the method guys, and then I have to use string n. Okay, so public means it is accessible anywhere, static means we can call directly using class, and boolean means it returns true or false, and check palindrome means it is a method name. Okay guys, and then string n, so this is the parameter. Okay, so I have to open the braces, then I have to use int left equal to 0 and right equal to and on length minus 1. So what is this guys? So left equal to 0 means it will start from the left side. Okay, because it is the index value, so it will start from the 0. So 0 1 2 3 4, and from back side, like right side, we have to do the backward direction. So like this side, like okay, 0 1 2 3 4. So that's why I'm using here and dot length minus 1. So guys, I have to use while loop. So while loop I am using left less than right, while left less than right. So if condition and dot caret method, and dot caret method left, sorry, this is the spelling, and dot, this is the inbuilt method guys, caret left not equal to and dot caret method right. Okay, this is the condition I am giving, and then opening braces. So what is this guy? Caret means, caret is the index value. Okay, so caret I am using because it gets the character at given index. Okay, and then it compares left side character with the right side character. Okay, so that's why I'm using, and not equal to I am using because it means if it is not equal. Okay, so if it is not equal, then it should return, false. Okay, and then closing braces, and then I am using guys left plus plus, and then right minus minus. Okay guys, so this one I am using, and then I need to close the braces. So I have used, okay, so I am using these braces. Then guys, it should be written true. Okay, so return true. Okay, so this is my program completed. So let's run this program. So I am running this. Let's see the output. Yeah guys, you can see the output. It is putting properly is a palindrome. Okay, I am just, if I am giving here double A, so this is not the palindrome. Okay, so let's run again. So see guys, it is printing properly. It is not a palindrome. Okay guys, so like that you can practice this program. It is very good for interview questions. Okay, so yeah guys, if you like my channel, then please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.